Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. Today, find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and stochastic RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Bitcoin hourly time frame, the price moved down with around 2.1% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 9,838. The volume was actually high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 9,635, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 9,873 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 9,920. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame, there was a bearish divergence and the price already went down. Jumping to the hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 20 SMA downwards, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. The current price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 9,716, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 9,942 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is in the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should see if the ribbon could hold support, currently at around 9,738. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the support should be considered. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the lower region, which means that the price is getting oversold and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. You should wait to see if there will be an upward trend to the crypto because the K line has not yet crossed the D line. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 9,209. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is above the daily ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 8,686. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the support should be considered. Moving to the daily stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are located in the higher region. This means that the price is high due to overbuying, and a change in the trend, or at least some kind of consolidation, can be expected. The K line is currently located below the D line, meaning that there is a downwards trend. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.